The third area where we're improving financial reporting is in the area of the statement of cash flows. And in fact, what the board has decided is that we would require a not-for-profit organization to use the direct cash flow method for reporting operating cash flows. And we believe that it will not be that costly based upon the experience of higher educational institutions that report under the direct cash flow method as required under GASB standards right now. Additionally, what we've done is we've realigned some of the items in the cash flow statement to better align with how those expenditures are reported in the statement of activities. So for example, interest expense is currently reported as an operating item in the statement of cash flows. That would show up as a financing item, and there's several other items like that. The last major item that we've touched upon in the proposed standard relates to liquidity and trying to address liquidity. This was an area that was particularly difficult to address because we didn't want to step out of the bounds of what we feel the boundary of financial reporting is in terms of, looking to the future and predicting the future, et cetera. But what we have done is we've asked institutions themselves to really articulate how they manage liquidity, how they define the length of time over which they evaluate liquidity. And then we've asked for certain measures of financial assets that are available specifically to fund their needs over their period, as well as what types of obligations they have during that period. And we've asked for disclosures about what they might have available, such as lines of credit or what have you, just in case they fall short of cash.
What are you looking to get from stakeholders?
Well, really, we'd like their views as to, do they agree, with the positions that we've taken in the exposure draft? Do they believe that they're operational or can be implemented with not excessive costs? We've asked whether they believe that the users of their financial statements will find these changes to be useful to them. And at the end of the day, what we're hoping to gather through various means of outreach is a better understanding of whether people in general feel that this is an improvement to financial reporting and at a cost that justifies the benefits.
So Larry, now that the proposal's been issued, what are the next steps?
Well, the proposal is out for a 120-day comment period. After the comment period, we'll have the roundtables, which I think is scheduled in the September or so time frame. And then once the staff has, has adequately evaluated the comment letters that we receive, as well as the results of the roundtables and other feedback, we'll begin redeliberating the issues. And my hope is that we issue a final standard by the end of the second quarter of 2016.
Thanks for that overview, Larry. And thanks to you, our viewers. To learn more about the Financial Statement Project or other projects, visit us online at FASB.org.